rad 1957 Chevrolet sedan delivery. Like I said, kind of done up in a street rod look here. We'll go through some of the things. This particular car was finished as far as the paint and interior, according to the previous owner, in 2013. Now, more recently, it has had a 383 put in it underneath the hood. So powered by a 383 GM V8 that's paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. As you can see, great looking color on this, kind of a copper. Nice glossy paint. Let's take a look up here at the bright work and the chrome in the front. As you can see, a very, very nice shape. Not pitted, scratched, dinged. Great looking front grille. Hood ornaments. Headlight bezels, all in very nice shape. This particular car does have a couple murals kind of in the sedan delivery panels towards the rear. I'll get into that. It's kind of a cool theme for this car. It carries throughout the inside too, so that's where it's kind of pretty nice street rod look to it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can take a look at it up close, check out the interior underneath the hood, underside, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com or down below this video. In the description, you're going to see a link. Click on that. That'll take you right to it. Feel free to give us a call, too. Be happy to answer any questions we can on this one. 507-386-1726. It's riding on American Racing wheels, BF Goodrich rubber, which are both in nice shape also. And you can look up and down the side of this car. I mean, you can see it is straight. Doesn't look like it's a thick car. Again, according to the previous owner, this was a solid car to start with. Now I'm going to kind of give you an idea. The interior, kind of a saddle and tan, two-tone interior to it, buckets with a center console. Nice custom-built center console. I'll get around to that too when I get to the driver's side and I can show you. But here you're going to see the rear panels on this. A little bit of a mural back here, and it's kind of a Western theme with the ghost stagecoach and horses. Very cool look on this, especially when you take into consideration the color and how the interior is done up. Now, if you don't like that, obviously, that is something that we could take care of for you. Could be painted over, what have you. It's not the end of the world as far as that mural. It's on each side in that same location. When I open the hood and fire it up to them and open this rear hatch, I'm going to show you the interior as far as on the sedan delivery rear. Come around to the back, take a look at the trim pieces. Bright work, chrome, also all in nice shape. Car's got a great look to it. You won't have to be afraid to take this to any of your local cruise-ins or any of your local shows. And again, you can see the matching mural. Then over on this side also shows up a little bit better over here in the light. Nice Western look to it. And again, up and down this side of the car, also very straight. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we ensure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Once again, for those still pictures down below this video in the description area, click on that link. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com or call us 507-386-1726. Again, some information from the previous owner, approximately a 400 horse 383 underneath the hood. Get into some of the interior items here. It does have tilt column, Lacera wheel. It also has, what was the brand of the dash, or I should say gauges on this? Classic Industries is what it was, that's right. Let's take a look at the door cards. You can see, like I said, kind of the two-tone saddle and tan buckets with a nice console in it. Like I said, custom built console out of kind of an aged wood. Now, again, it's carrying through that Western theme in the interior here. As far as the skull there that you can see through the steering wheel, that can be removed. That comes right off. It's kind of held on by a screw, so it doesn't slide around, but can come off easily enough. Again, take a look at the headliner. Everything in good shape on this one. Rear seat bench matches the front buckets up here. Tilt column. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. I did have the radio working in it earlier. It's got a little later model aftermarket stereo that's been installed in here. Let's go ahead and fire this up and check out these gauges. See how easily that starts. And from what I could tell, the gauges were all working. Tach works. Volts, oil, gasoline. Assuming that temperature will come up when the car warms up. I've not had it running very long. Just was in here earlier checking the radio. Radio did power up. Nice looking dash. Dash is painted to match the exterior of the car. Carpeting kind of matches the copper color also. We'll slip around to the back of this. You hear this run. Listen to that healthy V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to open this rear hatch. I'm going to open the hood so you check out both of those compartments while we're doing the video. Alright, start up here underneath the hood. There's that fresh 383 that was installed in there. See some nice polished chrome work. Very nice, tidy engine bay. Extremely clean, just painted to match. And inside of the engine bay, underneath the hood. Very nice shape up here. Great looking engine bay. Like I said, you don't have to be afraid to take this to any of your local shows. Looks good underneath there. Let's come around to the back. I got the rear gate open. See if you can see how it's finished off back here. So like I said, kind of finished off with that kind of aged or antique wood look. Matches the theme of this car very, very nicely. There you have it. 1957 Sedan delivery. Nice looking rod. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, we do consider trades, financing's available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Look forward to hearing from you.